Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tian and I'm an aspiring software developer. This episode is a little bit different because I don't have my usual project or program videos I'm working on my screen. It's just me with the camera, which makes it the finale of season 1. Well, why is the finale of season 1 called the Be Right Back? It's because in a few months' time, I will be producing season 2, in which I'll be keeping the same structure as my season 1, where I will be having 3 different series, which are Ionic app development, Python, and JavaScript with P5.js. I'll start producing them and filming them and editing them in a few months' time. However, for this episode, which is the finale of season 1, I just want to say thank you to a few people that have helped me to create and to bring the idea of having a programming series to life. The first group or set of people that I want to say thank you to is you, the viewers who are watching this video. Without you, this whole series wouldn't have happen and I wouldn't be producing the series. It's not for me, or it's not only for you, it's for all of us to come together and to create new innovative ideas and new projects, games, programs, whatever it might be. And so I feel like my first thank you should be to you, the viewers. So thank you so much for watching season 1 and I can't wait to see you in season 2. Secondly, I would always and forever say thank you to Ishini, who has been there for me since the very beginning, since first day of app development, like for my iOS projects, making apps and publishing them on the App Store. She was there for me. She was there when I first put down pen on paper and sketching out ideas on what I want to build. She has always been there for me even when I'm recording this video, so thank you to her as well. Aside from Ishini, I also want to say thank you to Daisha, Helen, Eric and your partner, Tuan, Brittany, Ditme, and my parents and family. Without you in the equation or in the picture, this series wouldn't have come true and wouldn't have happened. Your role and your position and your responsibility in contributing towards building this series from the very beginning means a lot to me. So thank you to all of you as well. And on that note, I would have to get back onto studying and finishing up my exams and studying more programming languages. That's why I'm taking a momentous break to work on my academics, and I'll be back on producing season 2 very soon. And I think that the first few episodes of season 2 will be published onto YouTube in around February or March of 2022, so I can't wait for a very eventful start towards 2022. That's it from me for season 1. Take care everybody, and I will see you guys again real soon. Until then, keep in touch with me. All of the important links will always be in the description down below, including my LinkedIn, my GitHub, and all of the projects that I have made for season 1, and all of my personal projects as well. So you guys are more than welcome to check them out on my GitHub. And yeah, let's keep in touch. And until then, stay safe everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye.